Lime oven
So I'm
fried
back in the
chicken
kitchen
wings
again.
recipe
So cooking
cooked
with
under
Gwen,
30
and I have
minutes.
a question to you all. So I usually try to inspect the chicken. Now I'm going to wash my chicken, make sure it is really nice. Let's see. Then I'm going to, right? Pat dry my chicken. All right, so I'm gonna do my oven fried chicken wings. One, oops, two, right? All right. Then I'm also going to add, listen, I have olive oil. Someone had just given me this olive oil. I want to tell Miss Maluha, thank you. This is a really nice olive oil from Morocco. So I'm going to add a little bit on my chicken. Okay, and I'm going to squeeze lime on my chicken. So this is going to be the fried wings. Right? I'm gonna do a little bit of black pepper. Okay, and I'm gonna do sea salt. I told you I love, and I'm gonna mix this up. Okay, this is it. All right, just for flavor purposes, I'm going to add my pesto. Sit up. Oh, so good. Love, love, love the smell, and I'm pretty sure this is going to taste great. So this is my fry oven chicken wings. Okay, now I have my chicken. I'm going to put this excess amount on this chicken, and this is ready to go in the oven. All right, so